Team Grifco and Kate, I believe. How are you? Good morning. I wanted to take you through some of the different documents that we've been working on across the last week, and we went a little bit overboard, but in a good way in respect to some of the stuff that we've done. So let me just walk you through what's happening. So we've got the completed Hillside website content, and I wanted to keep some of these actual edits in so you could see the couple of layers of editing that have happened in respect of cleaning up the editing, or rather cleaning up the actual content in respect of trying to make sure that it targets, you know, appropriate keywords and making sure that it's aligned with the actual metadata that we're building in parallel to it. So you can take a look through this and choose to kind of keep or kill whatever you think that does, you know, make sense. We've written this from, or rather modified it from an SEO perspective and put all of these comments and pieces in here. So that's that first component there. The second component of it is, if we jump into here, is that we've got the content. We've also got on-page suggestions as to, let me just edit that there. Yeah, cool. So what we have here is some of the issues that have come up, and this is really from an on-page optimization perspective, and I think that the site's undergoing a redesign at the moment, if I recall. So, you know, maybe the case that this will, oh no, it looks like it has, to be honest with you. This looks fantastic. But yeah, these are the ones that we think, you know, should be H1s, and these are the ones that we should be H2s. So that's that component there. And then there's a canonical link, and that's the status code. So really the thing to action here, just looking at kind of the ones that should be H1s and the ones that should be H2s. And then we've got image alt tag selection, alt tag commentary for images that we found that really are in need of some alt text being added or changed. So as you can see, there's some additional data that we put in here, and there's like what 136 items here, and then in here we've got your actual keywords. So we looked at the keywords that you highlighted, and what we've done is we've built it out on the basis of the positions and the actual volumes that we think, you know, make sense. So, you know, if you were to move forward with a commercial SEO strategy, these would be some of the keywords that could make sense for the business. As you can see, and there's quite a big focus around, you know, Hillside, Turkey, Beach Club, etc. So this should be really powerful in them deciding what makes sense as a keyword strategy. If you've done that, we've also got a site audit report. It's a full audit report, and it details all of the actual technical errors that there are at large of the site. And as you can see, maybe the best thing to demonstrate to you is there's 356 errors, 3,339 warnings, and 393 notices. And, you know, I encourage you to go through it and, you know, make use of that as you think is best. So we've got that part there. Then we've got the actual metadata that applies to the actual sitemap. So as you can see, there is metadata here, and we've gone out and built this. There's 5 pages worth that relates to all of the different actual pages that there are on the site. And then we've got what also might be very useful, your competitor keywords. So we just looked up some kind of competitors as easily as we could find them, and we had a look at, well, what are the keywords that they're ranking for. And I thought that this might be quite insightful for you, or for rather Hillside, in understanding what is the best kind of step in respect of competitors. So all of this makes sense, and if you've got any questions, do let me know, and I hope that you are happy with our work, and if anything else comes up, of course, just get in touch. All right, thanks, bye.